Hello everyone, welcome to Botany Insider. So today is the second day for the question practice, and the question for you is that if you are given a DNA strand and in that DNA strand there is 20% of adenine present. You have to tell me that what would be the content of cytosine in this given DNA strand. You have four options. First option is 20%, second option is 30%, third option is 40%, and fourth option is 60%. Listen to the question very carefully. So from this you can note down that the topic of nucleic acid is very important. The difference between the various types of DNAs, the compositions of the same holds a very good importance in CSIR examination. So make sure you do not skip off this topic. So this was about this particular video. Answer for the same would be given to you on Telegram channel. The link for the same in the description box. Join the channel and get to know the answer for the same. Thank you for watching. Good luck. I'll see you soon. Bye.